This is a 1965 BSA A50 500cc. It's a project bike. It does turn over with compression. Not a lot, but it's been stood a while. I've not tried to start it. This bike is an import from the USA, although it's got a UK plate on the front, so maybe it was UK registered when it was made and then exported to America after that. I know it was in America in 1967 because there's a Pennsylvania certificate on there. Miles on the clock. I had one of these when I was 17. All chrome under there. Well, if you fancy a BSA project, this will be on eBay.